from soldier to CEO. Stop sabotaging your sales funnel. You poured your heart and soul into serving our country. Now it's time to pour that same dedication into building your dream business. The transition from the military to entrepreneurship, it's a battlefield out here, especially in the digital world. Many veterans are getting into online business, seeing the potential of e-commerce and online courses, but a lot of military entrepreneurs are missing out on serious revenue because they're making critical mistakes with their online sales funnels. We're diving deep into the trenches of online sales funnels, exposing the biggest blunders that are holding you back from the success you deserve. So, lock and load because we're about to transform your sales funnel from a misfire into a high-converting machine. No BS, just real talk and actionable strategies you can implement today. Landing page lockdown. First impressions matter. Your landing page is the digital handshake, the first impression, the moment of truth when someone lands on your website. You've got about 3 seconds to grab their attention. In the military, you wouldn't show up to a mission unprepared, right? Same goes for your landing page. Biggest mistakes, cluttered designs, confusing messaging, no clear value proposition. You need a clean, user-friendly design with clear headlines, concise copy, and high-quality images or videos. Highlight the benefits, not just the features. Make it crystal clear what problem you're solving for your customer. Make sure your call to action is prominent and impossible to miss. Be direct. Download now. Sign up free. Get started today. Your landing page is the time to showcase your value and make it irresistible for people to join your mission. Email marketing. It's not dead, you're just doing it wrong. Email marketing is still one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal, but many entrepreneurs are sending out generic, spammy emails that people delete immediately. Your email list is gold. These are people interested in what you're offering. Segment your audience, personalize your messages, and provide value in every single email. Address the pain points of your ideal customer and offer solutions in your emails. Provide valuable insights, actionable advice, and exclusive content. Make your subject line catchy, intriguing, and benefit-driven. Email marketing is about building relationships, not just making a quick sale. Nurture those leads, provide consistent value, and position yourself as the go-to expert in your niche. Chapter 3. Mobile-ageddon, don't alienate the smartphone generation. We live in a mobile-first world. People are glued to their smartphones, scrolling, browsing, and buying. If your sales funnel isn't optimized for mobile, you're missing out on a massive chunk of potential customers. Many entrepreneurs neglect mobile optimization, resulting in clunky websites and forms that are impossible to fill out on a phone. Your website, landing pages, and emails need to be responsive and mobile-friendly. Use a clean single-column layout, large font sizes, easy-to-tap buttons, and fast loading times. Test your website on different devices and ensure the experience is seamless. Mobile optimization is a necessity. Meet your customers where they are and make it easy for them to engage with your brand and buy from you. Chapter 4. The call to action. Don't leave them hanging. You've got a killer landing page, your email marketing is on point, and your website is mobile-friendly. But none of that matters if you don't have a clear, compelling call to action. Your call to action is the final push that gets people to take the action you want them to take. Use strong verbs like get, download, join, start, learn. Create a sense of urgency with limited time offers or exclusive bonuses. Make sure your call to action aligns with the overall goal of your sales funnel. Use contrasting colors for your call to action buttons to make them stand out. The more opportunities you give people to convert, the better your chances of success. Chapter 5. Data is king. Track, analyze, optimize. You wouldn't go into battle without a plan, right? The same goes for your online business. You need to be tracking your results, analyzing the data, and making adjustments along the way. Many entrepreneurs set up their sales funnel and then just hope for the best. Hope is not a strategy. You need to know your numbers. What's your conversion rate? Where are people dropping off in your funnel? What's working and what's not? Use tools like Google Analytics to track website traffic, conversion rates, bounce rates, and more. Set up conversion tracking for your ads, email campaigns, and social media posts. The more data you collect, the better equipped you'll be to optimize your sales funnel for maximum results. The online world is constantly changing, so be willing to adapt and evolve your strategies. Experiment, test different approaches, and see what works best for your business. Outro mission accomplished. Time to dominate. There you have it, the top sales funnel mistakes that are holding military entrepreneurs back and how to fix them. Building a successful online business takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more business building content, and leave a comment below. Now go out there and dominate.